Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Glad to see you. My name is Stephanie and I'm 58. I'll be 59 in November. I can't believe it and I'm very excited. And the reason I'm sharing that with you because today I want to share with you what changed my life 36 years ago, and now for years, decades, I've been receiving passive renewal money, direct deposit in my bank account every month, thousands and thousands of dollars from something someone shared with me 36 years ago when I was in banking. So let me share my story with you because I notice, social media and YouTube is all about sharing information. And I hope this will bless everyone. When I was in my early 20s, I was working in banking. I started off as a teller, then assistant manager, in banking. I worked with a young lady who was Greek, and her dad kept calling her, telling her how much money that she could make in the insurance industry. And when I was in banking, we had to get our insurance license, life and health, to sell products to the customers. Because if the customer wanted life insurance, or if they had a mortgage and they wanted mortgage protection insurance, we all had to go to class. And the class is not long, a month, 6 weeks. It's just like getting your real estate license, but you getting your life and health insurance license, or your P&C, property and casualty license, property and casualty license. Well, for the last 3 decades, I am a life and health agent. And the reason I'm sharing this with you because it really changed my life, because I didn't know back then, but once you sell a policy, most individuals, they keep their insurance, their health insurance, their life insurance. They keep their benefits because no one wants to start over. And insurance is based on your age. And sometimes insurance is locked in, never change, and sometimes it increase. But with insurance, you receive residual income, which means if you sell a policy to a client, a customer, long as they make their premiums payment, their monthly payment, beginning usually the 13th month, the insurance company pay you a renewal income, a percentage, because that person is maintaining their policy insurance. And that can be for decades, 30 years. So you sell something once, but you receive that renewal residual income every month. Some companies is after 9 months, after 8 months, but most companies is after 13 months. So customer service is very important, following up with your client to make sure they're happy, they receive their policy, see if they have any questions, anything you can assist them with. So this message is basically sharing with you, please check into becoming an agent. If you have any questions, feel free to call me, or just make a phone call, Google how to become an insurance agent in your area. But that changed my life because I didn't know selling something once, then you receive a passive renewal income as long as that person keep that policy. It's crucial. So here it is, 30 years later, I'm still receiving passive income off of all the clients I have helped over the last 30 years. So really, I don't have to work because I receive a check, a deposit every month for all the people I have helped with, life insurance and health insurance. I'm stressing this because it's the importance of it, because I did not know this in my 20s. So I'm hoping this will help someone else look into it, because this check that I'm receiving every month will help with my Social Security. As everyone keeps saying, we don't know if Social Security is going to be there for us, and especially those that's younger than me. So my deposit definitely helps me every month. I am married, been married be 34 years this December. So I don't really have to work outside the house. I do still sell insurance. If anybody call me, mainly my clients now that I help and assist are from referrals. Someone calling me, my mom told me to call you. They need insurance on their self, their husband, the children, grandkids. So that's a beautiful, beautiful career. So this is not a job to me. This is my career. Life insurance, they have term, whole life, universal life. They have something now called IUL, Index Universal Life Insurance. There's different types of insurance, health insurance. So if you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment. And I'll be glad to get back to you. But I want everyone to take the time and do your research and share this information with your children, because most times, like I'm an independent contractor, which means I do have insurance companies, and they have meetings monthly, quarterly, but I'm my own boss. So if I don't want to make any appointments for tomorrow, I don't have to schedule any appointments for tomorrow. But most importantly, I don't have to call a boss and say, can I take off tomorrow because I have to take my grandchildren to a doctor's appointment, or I'm running late. So I love this opportunity because you are your own boss most of the times, because I'm an independent contractor. But some people do receive their insurance license and they want to work a 9 to 5 with the different insurance carriers. That's their choice. But for over 30 years, I've always been an independent contractor, which means it's my responsibility to set up my own IRA, my responsibility to set up my own retirement account, my own, health insurance, or, be on my husband's health insurance. You are on your own, but it's still very, beneficial because how much money you make in the insurance industry. I didn't realize if you sell one, policy, you can make $1,000. You can make, $250. It all depends on the insurance, product. So again, definitely take the time and share this message with your children, because there's a lot of young adults don't want to work a 9 to 5 and they looking for something to do. And all they have to do is take an insurance class. It's not easy because there's a lot of state laws based on your state. And you have to go and, take a test, and you have to pass a test. I don't know if it's 75 or 80 or higher now, but you can take the test as many times as you need to take it until you pass the test. But again, this really changed my life, and I'm so grateful that her first name is Nicole. Her dad, who is in the insurance industry for years back then, he kept telling his daughter about, you shouldn't stay in banking. You can make so much more money working with me in an insurance company. So she left first in banking, and then she shared with me how good she was doing and how much money she was making. Then I, joined her, over 30 years ago. And that really, changed my life. And a lot of people don't know about the insurance industry. Now, some people are, realtors, they sell cars. There's so many different ways out there to make money, but not too many people think about becoming a life and health agent like I am. And I wouldn't trade it for the world. As I shared with you, I have 3, grown kids, 33, 29, and 19, and 2 grandkids. I love it with the flexibility. And when they especially was younger, I just made my insurance appointments earlier that day or later that day, or none at all, because you are in control of your own schedule. I will include maybe a link for a different insurance company. But if you have any comments, just leave a message, and I will definitely, get back, with you and answer every question. But look into becoming a life and health insurance agent. Thank you for watching. Please consider hitting the like, share this video, and I appreciate your support. Mwah.